My name is Ji'an, and I am an international student at Jinggangshan University. I first heard about the Red Star Inclusive Running Team during a visit to their volunteer base. It's a non-profit team composed of teachers, students, and blind friends. They connect the world through running, letting light illuminate hearts. Since then, every Sunday morning, I run with them in Bilyuchu Park, accompanying blind friends. That's the moment I look forward to most each week. We board the volunteer bus and arrive at the meeting point. I go to pick up my blind mentor, holding his hand, chatting as well. We talk towards the park. Upon arrival, we take photos and shout our slogan. The shining red star illuminates my heart. Then students from School of Physical Education led a warm-up, each movement requiring perfect coordination. Before becoming a volunteer, I also underwent blind running training, wearing blindfolds, walking, and running in the dark. I experienced the importance of trust for the first time. Once the actual run begins, my blind friend and I are connected by a colorful ribbon, our steps synchronized, our breathing in sync. We describe the scenery along the way, helping them to see the world with their hearts. After the run, everyone gathered to share their feelings. We sang and recited poems, laughter echo in the morning breeze. At that moment, I felt warmth that transcends borders. Doing charity work is not just about helping others, but also a journey of mutual growth. It teaches us to see the world with our hearts, letting light illuminate others and warm ourselves.
我希望你可以把我们的故事带回去讲给他们听，把我们拍摄的视频、我们唱的歌放给他们听一听，给他们讲一讲其实视障人士呢，生活是比较单调的如果我们给予他更多的一些帮助，他们会给予我们这个反馈给我们的很多积极和阳光。
闪闪红星